Yeah, today I have ordered this one tripod for to hold my camera or my phone. So to better have the stabilization when recording a video, I have ordered this. I just want to show you how this is looks and how this is useful. See here, yeah, this is tripod 3110. Yes, I'll open this and I'll show you. As these are the two components, what is in the box, and let us open this one also. Yeah, yeah, see here, this is the actual tripod. I need to fix this one. There is a screw which is given here. See here, this one. Yeah, and see here, here I need to screw this up like this, and this is the holder. Actually, this is the holder where I can keep my mobile, or if you have camera you can fix the camera there. So, and coming to the cost, I guess, yes, I bought this for nearly 300 rupees, and I bought this from Flipkart. If anyone want to check the details of this tripod, I'll drop the link in the description. And now I'll place my phone to that and I'll show you. Yeah, see here, this is the tripod, and I kept my mobile here. See here, this is the holder, or the I can rotate this. Means if you want the video to be uh, taken with different directions, see here, I can rotate this, and this is the adjustment. Means I can loosen this so that it moves freely. I can yes, tilt it. See here, I can just adjust. Yes, means for example, if this mobile is recording, I'll just move like this. I can move like this, or I can rotate actually. Yeah. So different directions video I can record, and here also this one I can loosen and I can make it tight, and this here also there is a adjustment. Uh, Toggle rotate button so that I can tilt the phone like this in this direction also, means upward and downward also I can move. See here, this is the adjustment, and this one is the adjustment, and this one is the adjustment, and within the cost of 300 all these adjustments. And one more thing here, I can have a lock. See here, lock, I can open the lock from three sides at the bottom so that the height can be adjusted. I'll show you out also. See here, I have just opened this clip and extended this for the height, and likewise that's three legs, and here and this one I tighten this again. See here, I need to close it so that it get fixed like this, and even more further I can increase the size by extending a little more further. I'll do it for three and show you. See here, this is the total height what it got. So I opened all these three adjustment clips here, 1 2 3, and the height is like this. So this is pretty much useful and pretty well designed. So I like this tripod within this cost range. Yes, for this basic recording and with different angles to shoot the video or to capture a picture, and this is quite good. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Yeah, I hope you like this video, and this is not a promotion or something. Just as I bought this, I want to show you. Yes, I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.